What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Dillinger the Gherk from Fortnite. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. Starting from the very top, go all the way around, and then back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I'm going to move to the center and draw a smaller circle for the area around the mouth. Inside each eye, we're going to draw an oval for the eyebrows, starting in the middle on the left, go all the way around, and then back up, and we'll line that up on the right side. Now I'm going to tuck the pupil in underneath with a half circle, going up underneath, and we'll fill that in black. Let's move to that center circle and draw the lower lip. Starting on the left, we're going to bend this up towards the right, round this out, and then come in. From the top, we'll draw the upper lip, going up and then down. Now let's move out to the side and draw the top of the head. From the left side, we're going to go around, go up toward the top, round up the head, come down, and then bend that in on the right side. Let's add that fold across the bottom of the mask. On the left side, we're going to step up, curve this out, come down and in towards the middle, round this out, go up towards the right, and then tuck that in. Now in behind the right eye, we're going to add that tape going across in an X. So let's start on the top of the eye, go up and across, flatten this off, come in with a short line, and then back down. Now let's pull this back in towards the eye. Now I want to carry this tape along the bottom. So I'm just going to line this up across the bottom, flatten this off, and do the same thing. I'm just going to step this across and then back towards the eye. Let's add the tape going across. So from the eye to the mouth, we'll draw two angled lines. Line this up on the outside, going up, and again just stepping this in. Let's add that texture inside the mask. Starting in the middle, draw a straight line coming down, in behind the tape, towards the mouth, and then down towards the chin. Let's add another one. We're going to bend this out, and then down towards the eye, and then straight down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to add one more. Stepping over, curve this around the eye. I'm just going to bend this in, and then we'll add a bump, going out and then back in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side underneath the head, curve this down, and then bend that in towards the hip. Line this up on the right side, coming in towards the same height. Now I'm going to leave a gap for the legs, and then in the center, add a curve. Let's leave a gap in the center. Go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg going out and down toward the left heel, and then the right heel. And then we'll curve the bottom of the feet, starting with the left, coming down and up towards the outside of the foot. Let's round up the foot, go up, and then bend this down, aiming towards the heel. You want to leave a small gap along the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the hips. We're going to create an overlap, bend the leg going out, down, and then in on top of the feet. Now the arm on the left is going to be holding a bag of money. So let's start underneath the head. It's going to bend the arm coming down and then out. And then from the wrist, draw a curve for the thumb going up and then in. Round up the thumb and then bend that back up. Let's add a curve for the palm. I want to wrap three fingers around the bag. Starting from the outside of the thumb, draw a half oval, add a full oval going up underneath the thumb. We'll do that one more time. Let's draw the top of the bag. From the finger, bend this up and out. From the thumb, go up and then in. Now we're going to close off the ends with a wave, coming across, up, and then down. Let's draw the back side, just swirling this back in behind. Let's draw in that bag. Starting underneath the finger on the outside, we're going to go out, round out the bag, go up and back in. Now from the bag, we're going to add the palm, coming in and up, step down, draw the bottom of the arm coming in towards the side of the body. Now we're going to line up the inside of the arm over on the right side. We're going to bend this out and then down towards the wrist. Draw a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Then we're going to add those 3 fingers into a fist. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down and up around that bracket, step down, go out and then up. Now we want to bend the third arm going up. We're just going to line this up with the left side. We're going to go out and then bend that up underneath the head. Now let's go back to the center of the body and add in that pendant. We're going to start with 2 lines across the top, close off the bottom. Now on the top we're going to go out and then back down. Now let's draw in the left side, going out and back in, stretch that down towards the bottom. Now I want to take this and flip it across. Add that little extension. Now we're going to add those 2 parts coming down and up. Let's close off the right side with a curve. Now I'm going to trace that center slit in the middle and then the inside of the D. Let's add that chain going out towards the side. From here, we're going to bend this out and then up underneath the head. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw the top of the chain, just follow that same curve. Now I'm going to add some texture inside that chain with a series of curves working our way in and then over on the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Dillinger the Gherk from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.